This is Thane DSK Benelli. Benelli 250 test ride that you watch on my channel. I have taken that test ride from this particular showroom. Can you see right there?
Level, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the.
So it's Live Stealer who is taking a test ride of the 300. So I'm gonna be testing the Benelli 300. You cannot call it as a test ride. Yeah, now that's what I called a super bike exhaust. Alright. Oh ho ho! Now he's gonna be taking the 600. Wow. Woo! Wow! This feel I have not got on the 250. That 250 was like FZ, and this is what you call a sound. You want to listen again? Oh, super bike, super bike. Come as fast as possible. The beast is coming. Beast is coming. Wait for him, and he's here. Woo! Oh, oh my God! I want to get some feel on the bike. As usual, the power is late, but the exhaust is killing, my friend. Now that's what you like, you know. Oh my God, killer exhaust. कौन से गियर पे है? अच्छा फर्स्ट है. Enjoying life with Benelli. Did you like it or not? Just comment down below. Oh my God. Benelli 300, Benelli 600i. How you felt, Ajinkya? How you felt?
Oh my God, come on, it's an awesome bike, yaar.
Should I have the test ride of it?
Yeah, you'll go and enjoy, na?
Acha.
Keep it on the level.
Has an ixil exhaust.
DSK Benelli थाने पेज आहे फेसबुक त्याच्यावर पण टाकून
त्याच्यावर लिंक टाकलं तर चालेल ना? चालेल. He said ki we can make the video and we can post it on their DSK Thane Benelli, by which they can see a video.
I ain't asking for change, I'm good at coining the phrase. What I want is more than ever and never to fade away. Is that too much to ask? Good.
This is the Benelli GT, mostly for touring. 600 at the corner. Oh my god. This is what the 300, then the 25, 300. This is parrot green. No, not parrot green. It's, I don't know what kind of green. It's green. Benelli 300. Oh, look at this. What is this? Tornado Naked Tree TNT 899. He said this cost you, the headlight will cost you about 39,000. My god. Superb. 899. Again the 600. 600. Wow.